Hello, 6th grade, back again for another video, this time for science. We are going to be doing another section, or another activity, another part of G on IXL. So far we've done 1, 2, and 3, which were how to calculate speed, distance, and time. Now we are going into G.6, which is identify whether objects are accelerating. I skipped 4 and 5 because we've done that already and it's just more practice of different things. So I figure I'll show you something else as opposed to doing the same thing. So without further ado, a sailboat is speeding up as a gust of wind catches the sail. Which statement describes the sailboat's motion? The sailboat has constant velocity, or the sailboat is accelerating. It tells us it's speeding up because a gust of wind catches the sail, so that means it's going faster, so it's accelerating. A rescue helicopter is moving directly upward at a constant speed. Which statement describes the helicopter's motion? The helicopter has a constant velocity, or the helicopter is accelerating. It says it's going up at a constant speed, so yes, it's moving, but it's not going from like 0 to 60. It's staying at like, let's say 30. So because it's staying the same, it has a constant velocity. A canoe is turning to the left to avoid getting stuck in shallow water. Which statement describes the canoe's motion? The canoe has constant velocity, or the canoe is accelerating. It doesn't say anything about them like paddling to go faster or slowing down or anything crazy. They're just turning. They're still going with the motion of the water though, so it's going to have a constant velocity. Oh, I was wrong. And I'm just kind of winging this. Usually what I guess is normally right, but everyone makes mistakes. So it says an object's velocity describes its speed and direction. An object has a constant velocity when neither its speed nor its direction is changing. So an object has a constant velocity when the object is moving in a straight line at a constant speed or remaining motionless. If an object does not have constant velocity, the object is accelerating. An object is accelerating when either its speed or its direction is changing. So an object is accelerating when the object is speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction. The canoe is changing direction, so the canoe is accelerating. I was kind of taking this more as like accelerating means move forward, constant means stays the same. I did not know that direction changed acceleration, which is why I guessed wrong on that one. But now we know. Constant velocity goes in a straight line, doesn't move. If something accelerates, it's either going faster or slower or changing direction. So, a skydiver is moving downward with decreasing speed as her parachute opens. Which statement describes the skydiver's motion? We know that's accelerating because the speed is changing. A juicy mango is hanging motionless from a branch. Which statement describes the mango's motion? It's remaining where it is, not changing direction, it's constant. A girl is pushing a full shopping cart straight down an aisle with increasing speed. Which statement describes the shopping cart's motion? Because it's gaining speed, that's a change in speed, so it's accelerating. All right, let's bump it up a stage. Which of the following dogs is accelerating? A golden retriever that is running with decreasing speed straight across a muddy field, a toy poodle that is being lifted straight upward at a constant speed by a young boy, or a bulldog that is lying motionless on a couch for its afternoon nap. Because the golden retriever is running with a decreasing speed, that is grounds for acceleration. The other two are constant, saying the same. So our answer for this is going to be the first one. Which of the following runners is accelerating? A cross-country athlete who is standing still while waiting to drink from a water fountain after a run, a trail runner who is rounding a sharp bend in a zigzagging path, or a distance runner who is running a steady pace on the straight part of a track. So the first one they're not moving, they're staying still. And the third one, they're staying in a straight line, not changing their pace. So those are both constants, which means the middle one, the person zigzagging, is accelerating. They're changing their direction in that case. Which of the following toys is accelerating? A stuffed Tyrannosaurus Rex that is standing motionless on a shelf. A red wagon that is rolling straight along a sidewalk at a constant speed, or a toy boat that is moving faster and faster as it plunges down a small waterfall. The first two, the objects are staying still. They are not changing speed. So that leaves us with the third choice where it says it's going faster and faster, it's accelerating. And I will bump, oh, that's it. So maybe we'll get one with constant. So I'll try a couple more, we'll see. Which of the following books is accelerating? Lying motionless, lifting straight up at a constant speed. This one's changing directions because it's going in a circle, so that will be that answer. Accelerating again, increasing speed, motionless, steady speed. Because this is increasing speed, it's accelerating. Which of the following vehicles is accelerating? Steady speed, parked, slowing down. Because its speed is changing, it is accelerating. Oh, well, it didn't give us any with constant velocity, but hopefully all those examples of accelerating help. If you guys have any questions, please just let me know. If not, enjoy the rest of your day.